If you've ever made a change in Monday.com and instantly regretted it, maybe you marked something complete too soon, switched the owner by accident, or worse, deleted an important item. Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to undo changes and recover deleted items inside Monday.com. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to confidently roll back mistakes and keep your boards organized, even when things don't go as planned. Let's jump right in. The first scenario we'll cover is undoing changes to an individual item, like a task or a project row. When you want to see what's happened to a specific item, start by hovering your mouse over the row itself. You'll notice a speech bubble icon pop up on the right side. That little bubble isn't just for communication. It gives you direct access to the Updates section, as well as the detailed activity log for this item. Go ahead and click it. Once you're inside, you'll see a timeline of every action related to that item. This is like a digital paper trail, changes to statuses, reassigned owners, moving groups, all of it. Take your time scrolling through this log. It may take a moment, especially if your team is busy or the item has been around for a while. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first. Everything is laid out in order with clear timestamps and usernames. Now, focus on finding the specific action you'd like to reverse. For example, maybe someone changed the status from working on it to done, but it's not complete yet. Or maybe you accidentally reassigned the item to the wrong person after a hectic meeting. Monday.com makes it easy to spot these events. And next to many of them, you'll see an Undo button. Click on Undo, and just like that, the item will revert to its previous state. Think of it like retracing your steps and erasing an accidental mark on a whiteboard. The log helps you target just the unwanted change without rolling back anything else. Sometimes you'll see actions that don't have an undo option, typically because they're more complex or tied to automations. If that happens, just pause for a second and see if you can manually set things back the way they were, or reach out to your admin for help. But for most common updates, that undo is a true lifesaver. Now let's tackle the big one, recovering a deleted item. Maybe you deleted a row thinking it was clutter, only to realize you actually needed that information, or perhaps a team member wiped out a task by mistake. Here's how to fix it. At the top right of your board, you'll see an activity icon. It looks a bit like a clock or a logbook. Click this to open the board activity log, which shows every major action across the whole board, not just a single item. Scroll through the list to find the entry that says a user deleted an item. Monday.com spells this out clearly. You'll see the user's name and the item name. Next to this event, there's a Restore button. Click Restore, and like magic, the item will reappear on your board, right in its original group, as if it never left. Just double-check that everything looks correct. Sometimes restored items may need a quick review to make sure the details are still current. And that's it. With these steps, you're in control of your Monday.com workspace, able to undo changes and recover lost items with just a few clicks. Mistakes happen, but now you know exactly how to handle them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides so you can master every tool in Monday.com and beyond. Thanks for watching. Thanks for